Not only is it a pyramid, but there's a Bass Pro Shop inside. It's a playground for any outdoorsman. But we're not gonna go inside. We do have the drone, and we're gonna try to send it up in the air. And I say try because in certain areas, the drone won't take off near airports and things like that. We do have downtown Memphis right over here, the Mississippi River to our west. But we're gonna give it a shot and give you guys a view of what's going on in this area. Let's give it a shot. So is that cool? I don't know why my glasses have turned dark. There's like zero sunshine up here, but they have transitioned to shades on a cloudy day. But people, I want you to remember one thing. Sure, the weather gets shitty. Consistently shitty in Memphis has been my experience, but that sun is still shining behind those clouds. Brighter days are ahead, but I appreciate all of you guys watching, and I'll see you in the next video. If you're not subscribed, do it. Hit the bell so you'll be notified when the next video goes up. More videos are coming. See you next time.
Everybody going through a